Good morning, everybody. I'm Amy Yoshimitsu with the Ladies of Justice League. Here we have this morning Miss Candan Simmons of All That and More Boutique. So if you can kind of introduce yourself, let us know about your shop, everything else, as well as give us some tips about some of the fall and summer, I guess, fashion that you can get here.
Sure. So I'm Candan Simmons, owner of All That and More Boutique, right here in Culver City, located inside the Rantry Plaza, as well as online. So what Amy has asked me to do today, I'm excited about because we're right in the crust of going in from fall into spring. So right now you might be trying to decide, what do I wear? Always dress nice for your body type and your lifestyle. Today I'm dressed in all black because I'm going to be styling clients, but I'm styling them getting ready for spring. That being said, I encourage you, if you like all black and we're going into spring, choose colors that are vibrant. The theme of our boutique is comfy, casual, classy with an edge. So this motor jacket would definitely be the edge. This is a tunic style dress. We're connecting and pairing the foil from the shirt here. Of course, we just wrapped up Valentine's Day, so we have a lot of hearts. But what I've noticed is hearts aren't just for Valentine's Day. It's a shape that a lot of people love. It reflects love. So you can pair things if you love black, pop color, add the little jackets and accent your colors that way. And then we'll come over here because I really want to say, when you're ready to pop into spring, go bold, go vibrant, because that represents spring. And this is considered, it's not considered, it is wearable art. And I'm looking at Amy's phone case and it matches her phone case. But it's wearable art. So the artist painted this piece, and I'm going to call it the garden, and it's in a blazer form. So for spring, this says hello, it's spring, I've arrived. You will definitely bring floral into the room when you enter the room with this piece. Depending on your body type and your personality, my personality and my body type definitely says put these two pieces together.
Yes.
Put them together. So this is a jegging, and with this you could either put on sneakers and a basic shell, or you can put it on with a pair of heels, depending. But I say keep going. Don't just do Garanimals. If you buy it together, you always wear it together. The lions and the bears can play together. So this, let's say this is the bear. So add tulle, because you can definitely pull out any shade with this particular jacket, and don't be afraid to go fun, to flirt with it. However, if you're saying, Candance, I'm in a more professional environment, I need to tone it down, but you still want to go bold, then you could definitely wear something like this, which is one solid color, and then later go bold and take that solid print and add the blazer. Still have fun with it. Consider what you're doing, consider your audience, consider where you're going. But if you're networking, you should always wear something that speaks to your profession, who you are, and what you do. When I go into networking rooms, I'm instantly known as the lady with. So the lady with the floral jacket, the lady with the shimmery tennis shoes, and that draws people over to me to have a conversation. It's so much easier to walk over and give someone a compliment opposed to walking over and putting your card in their hands. Build the relationship, make those connections. Also, for spring, we're going soft and we're going flirty. So this particular top is sheer mesh because in spring we expecting warm weather, unlike the weather we're having in California. So this is very soft. It has mesh, it's stretchy. That's the comfort. And we paired it with these pants, or we're trying to, with these pants that have the same lace at the bottom. So this is great if you're doing a brunch, a tea, And again, you could always put a blazer on top. But when you're looking at your blazers, go for shades that speak to you. This particular motor jacket, it speaks to me, especially if you've seen the color purple movie, or if you feel that purple reflects royalty. Put things on that cause you to say, I feel good, I look good, and I'm ready to go and engage on any level. Whether you're meeting with Amy to talk about your legal shield services, or whether she's meeting with you to make sure you have the right things in place, it all starts with you and how you decide to show up. So we hope you show up for, wearing things that make you feel comfortable, show up rocking your body type, and show up rocking things that speak to you and allow you to present all of you forward. So again, I'm Candan Simmons, style educator, owner of All That and More Boutique. And if none of what I said stuck, come on down and see me and I'll style you, because there's a difference between shopping and styling. And we believe at All That and More Boutique, you deserve all that and more. So when you come in, we style you for your body type and your lifestyle. Thank you.
Yeah. Welcome to Ladies of Justice League. You can find out more at All That and More Boutique with Candan Simmons. She's a fashionista. Every outfit she tries on, she also has for sale. So she's a great model too. All right, you guys have a great day.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.